Meaning of grater.
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 Grater. A grater is a kitchen tool with a rough surface used for shredding or grating food items such as cheese, vegetables, or fruits. The rough surface of the grater is made up of tiny sharp blades or holes that can quickly shred the food into small pieces. Graters come in different sizes and shapes, and each type of grater has its own unique use. For example, a box grater has 4 sides with different sized holes, while a zester grater has small, sharp holes to create fine shreds from fruit zest. In summary, a grater is a useful tool for quickly shredding food into small pieces for cooking or garnishing.